gotta get the thing open. She's out there sitting on the step.
What do you want, Maggie?
Well, we gotta wait. You gotta wait a minute.
What do you want?
Oh my God.
You tell her. Say you're taking too long, Nana. Yeah, you go. Come on. Oh, tell her. Say you're taking too long.
You're a big help. Right.
Michelle, your dog has expectations that you must meet, possibly exceed.
You gotta wait a minute, girlfriend. Oh my God. I'm going as fast as I can. Okay,
She'll be over
okay.
here.
All right, ready? This is Maggie's. Come on. Come on. Hey!
Oh, we got a scuffle. It's gonna be a throwdown.